Let's just start with the straight line on the paper. So this is portrait style I am picking. Now in the middle I will draw a big straight line. This is going to be A and this point is going to be B. So this is going to be our third point, C. So A, B, C. From C to A, from C to B. Now pick one point, as much as big leg you want. So this is our D point. From D to A, from this D to B. So this is thickness. So for that I will take another point here. Same thing. From this point to A, and this point to B. So this side I want this much height. Now I will erase and make them light. Now from here I will do another one line here and also another line this side. Same thing I will do here. One and this side too. Now the third one, how to know, like I know we do this way, but it can be this, it can be this, and it can be this. So for that, this is the point you have to take and go all the way to B. So this much. So we know how much high we have to go, but how thick I can draw here, I can draw here, I can draw very close to this one. So best thing is to take this point from here, this one, this line, this point, and connect with the A. So when I'm connecting, so you can see it's crossing here. So this much thickness we have to draw. So let me erase this part here. So from here I will draw one straight line. So I'm taking this point and I'm going to connect all the way to A. So this much, but thickness, so we have to go from here. This point will go all the way to B. Here we can see this much. So this is the crossing point, so it will be here. Now this point will go all the way to B. And this point will go all the way to A. Now we can see our table, so try to erase all the guidelines.